Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in footwear right now, the INMINPIN men's and women's shark slides. These aren't just your ordinary slides. They're making waves as some of the best shark-themed slippers for adults out there. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about these unique kicks. First off, let's talk design. These slides are not only eye-catching with their shark fin embellishments but also incredibly comfortable. They feature a 1.6-inch thick sole made of high-density EVA material, providing excellent support and durability. Perfect for lounging by the pool or a casual day out at the beach. The deep heel cup footbed is designed to fit the natural curve of your foot, offering enhanced comfort with every step. Plus, they're lightweight and flexible, making them easy to wear for extended periods without any discomfort. Now, let's talk functionality. These slides feature a non-slip sole, which is ideal for both wet and dry surfaces. Whether you're in the bathroom or strolling on a slippery road, you can count on these slides to keep you steady. And let's not forget about the quirky shark fin detail. It's a fun addition that sets these slides apart from your typical sandals. They're available in various colors and sizes, so there's something to suit everyone's style. From their performance around the house to casual outings, these slides seem to have won over quite a crowd. And speaking of crowds, let's address the sizing. It's recommended to check the size chart to ensure a perfect fit, as some users find them slightly larger or smaller depending on personal preference. So, should you consider adding the INMINPIN shark slides to your collection? Absolutely. They combine style, comfort, and functionality in a way that's hard to beat. Whether you're lounging at home or stepping out for a quick errand, these slides offer a unique blend of novelty and practicality. Alright, that wraps up our review. If you've tried these slides yourself or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, stay comfy and stylish.